Koyfin Premium App. The pros, the cons. Koyfin Premium is a financial data platform designed for advanced investors, but is it worth the subscription? Starting with the pros first, extensive data coverage. Koyfin provides detailed stock, ITF, and macroeconomic data for comprehensive market analysis. Second, customizable dashboards. Users can create personalized layouts to track portfolios, watch lists, and market indicators in real time. Third, advanced analytics. Koyfin offers charting tools, trend analysis, and risk metrics to help investors make informed decisions. Now, the cons. One drawback is complexity. Beginners may find the platform overwhelming due to the sheer amount of data and tools. Another limitation is cost. Premium subscription fees can be high, especially for casual investors who don't need advanced features. The surprising truth? Koyfin Premium is extremely powerful for professional and serious retail investors, but not necessary for simple portfolio tracking or small-scale investing. In conclusion, the pros: extensive data, customizable dashboards, and advanced analytics make Koyfin Premium ideal for serious investors. The cons: complexity and subscription cost may be off-putting for beginners.